Flame Fixer, and today I am going to be riding the 18 horsepower go-kart. I'm going to be really testing it out and seeing if it's going to break. So first off, I think I'm going to see how fast it is around the track. That's really bumpy. I gotta press really hard on this to get full throttle. So I gotta... Oh, I'm not even actually getting full throttle. Huh. I'm gonna see if I can fix that. I'm gonna see if I have full throttle now. I barely have full throttle, but I do. So, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can do a lap. So I'm not gonna know how fast that lap was, but I'll put it right here. So that's how fast it is. Okay, so what happened? Well, I'm not actually completely sure what happened, but it's not getting hardly any throttle, or any throttle at all half the time. I'm not quite sure where the throttle's messed up. Like, I don't know where the slack is, So I'm gonna do some looking around, and when I find it, I'll show it to you. Okay guys, so as I was messing with the throttle, I noticed that the gas was leaking. So I pulled the tank off as quick as I could, and I got it out here. It's just out in the parking lot. So what I think is wrong is I think there's a crack inside there, and that's what's leaking. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have to order another fuel tank. So since I'm not gonna be riding the go-kart in this video, I guess I'm just gonna, I have some other tires I want to put on it, see if they work. So I guess I'm gonna go get those and we'll put it on. The wheels I was gonna put on is this right here, just a lawnmower tire, and it's smaller, and I thought it would just like lower it, make it look a little cooler. Make the gearing a little lower also. The threading is the right size. As you can see, that just slides on there fine. But I didn't realize that there was a thicker part back here, so I'm not gonna be able to use these tires after all. These wheels do not fit on this shaft, but the rims are the same size. So I'm just gonna take the tires off of these and off of these and swap them. So how you get it off the bead is, see if I can do it. You just kind of, yeah, get under there. There we go. And you want to be stepping on it so that there's constant weight. Then you just kind of get your screwdriver in there. And you work your way around. There we go. So yeah, you just kind of work your way around and it'll pop off. This part's a little trickier. And there we go. So you get that off. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this one. There we go. Now let's go ahead and get this tire off. Now I just need to get this tire on. So, just gonna... There we go.
Alright, well, let me get this out. It should slip it.
There we go. Got it on. Oh yeah, that thing looks like it's ready to drift. I don't know if they necessarily are. Actually, I think they are, but they look way wider. So now I just need to get a fuel tank But I think that's gonna have to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, greatly appreciate it. And comment down below, which tires do you think looked better on it? I think these do by far, but let me know, and I'll see you next time.